Is there year 10 notes? We are on chapter 7, which is transformations, and we're taking a wee look then at rotations. So it says to rotate a shape, draw it on tracing paper. I'm at home, I don't have any tracing paper, but greaseproof paper works an absolute treat. So we go down to the kitchen and grab some greaseproof paper. It'll work just as well. Put the point of your pencil on the center of rotation and turn the tracing paper the given angle and direction. Mark the position of the shape now and label the vertices, which are corners. Rotate triangle ABC 90 degrees anti-clockwise about the point 1 minus 1. Label it A dash, B dash, C dash. Let's take a wee look at that. 1 minus 1 is going to be here, so that's my center of rotation. And then I start to set up in my tracing paper. This can be a bit fiddly, but we'll hopefully get it sorted out. My advice is, whenever you're doing this, if you can try and set up your tracing paper kind of like this, so see the way it's in line with the those kind of horizontal lines. If you do it like this, it's harder to see that you've rotated at 90 degrees. So I can kind of see where this will, hopefully it won't matter so much. So we now make then a copy of the triangle as accurately as you can. It will make your life easier. Okay, and we want to rotate it 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So as the instruction says, I'm putting my pencil here. Again, it looks funny here in the video, but that's okay. And we'll rotate it around then 90 degrees anti-clockwise. A little bit far there, I think, because I want this edge here to be vertical. Sorry, I'm in a pig's ear this. There we go. I think that's not bad there. So I think that's us rotated around then 90 degrees. And hopefully you can see that. So where are our points going to be? That's going to be the point. Can we see it through? Minus 2, 2. Minus 3, minus 1. And then minus 1, 0. So let's mark these on as we go. Minus 2, 2, I think. And what was that last one? Minus 3, minus 1. And so then those should now be our 3 new points. So let's join these up and see how it works out. It's very, very hard to do this without tracing paper. It can be done, and some people can just picture it, but it's going to be quite hard to picture. And this is as hard a question really as you will get in your GCSE maths. And you can ask for tracing paper in your GCSE maths as well. So we've rotated this one around like this. So there's going to be my point A dash. B is going to be here, and then C dash is going to be here, and that's that rotated round. If you're given a shape and its image, find the center, angle and direction of rotation by inspection, i.e. using tracing paper. Try a point and rotate paper to see if it fits in the image. Repeat until you find the point where it does. Make sure you start with the correct shape. Find the center, angle and direction of rotation which maps ABC onto DEF. So where is ABC? So it's this one here. Let's rub this out, make our life a bit easier so we can see stuff. And let's copy ABC. And again, we just want to pick points here and see if we can get them to work out. It'll be hard to see through this. It's a very fine little graph here, but let's see if we can get it to work. I don't know if I can even see the points on this. So we can just about. Okay, so we're rotating this so it lands in this. I can see that it's going to go this way, so I already know it's going to go. What way is that? That's anti-clockwise, and I guess I'm thinking it's going to be somewhere around here. So let's try this point here and see if that works. No, see, it's not going to fit there. Okay, so we go back and we then pick a new point. What about there? No, so it's going to work actually, isn't it? Well, will you look at that? So that's worked out quite well for us. Can you see that that's rotated round? So I've rotated it 90 degrees anti-clockwise, and that's my point. So where's my point there? I think we can just about see this. If you really look closely, can you see that that's going to be the point 1, 2? Let's get it drawn on before we lose it. So let's write in then what we found. So find the center. So it is a rotation. We should write that. It is 90 degrees anti-clockwise. and it is about the point 1, 2. So we've given the centre, which is 1, 2, we've given the angle 90 degrees direction anti-clockwise, and we've said then it's a rotation.